Hello students, we will continue The Merchant of Venice Act 3 Scene 2 Part 8 for class 10. Students, in the previous videos we learned that Bassanio won the lottery of the casket and he chose the right casket, that is the lead casket in which Portia's portrait was there, and the excitement, the joy was filled in the atmosphere in the hearts of Portia and Bassanio. Portia presented herself to Bassanio with utmost modesty, calling herself uneducated, unschooled, unpracticed girl, and adding that she is young, intelligent, and of gentle spirit, that is willing to be directed by her lord, her governor, her king, that is referring to Bassanio. And she was so happy that she not only offered herself, but along with her she gave everything, her material possessions with her ring to Bassanio, and also asked Bassanio never to part or lose or give away that ring. Bassanio is so overjoyed that though his blood was running in his vein, but he was short of words, that he could not express himself. Bassanio also promised Portia that he would never part with the ring as long as he is alive. Now students, let's continue. Now here already we know that in the scene, in the casket scene, Bassanio casket scene, not only Portia and Bassanio were there, but Nerissa, Gratiano and other attendants were also listening and witnessing the casket, the choice done by Bassanio. So Nerissa had been listening to all the conversations and dialogues taking place between Portia and Bassanio. Now, this is the time for them to congratulate the lord and lady. My lord and lady refers to Bassanio and Portia, who were Nerissa and Gratiano were listening to them, and they have witnessed the fulfillment of the desire of Portia and Bassanio of getting married, and now this wish has come true, and this moment is a great joy for all, not only for Bassanio and Portia, but all of them who were present in the scene. Next, Gratiano. My lord Bassanio and my gentle lady, I wish you all the joy that you can wish, for I am sure you can wish none from me. And when your honors mean to solemnize, here solemnize means to celebrate. Now here, students, in this extract you will find that Gratiano wishes both of them, Portia and Bassanio, all the joy that they can wish, but mischievously adds that he needed not to add anything to. Means he not only expressed his best wishes, but also requested to allow him at the very same time when they were ready to celebrate their engagement. Bassanio, with all my heart, means most certainly Bassanio agreed, but the condition was that Gratiano should find a wife. Now see the reply of Gratiano. I thank your lordship. I thank you, Bassanio. Lordship means I thank you, my lord. You have got me one. Now when he said that Gratiano is referring to Bassanio, that he had already found for him a wife. Bassanio was shocked that how Gratiano is referring Bassanio that he had found a wife for him. My eyes, my lord, can look as swift as yours. Now students, here in this extract, you will read this extract very thoroughly. Here Gratiano compares himself to Bassanio. Now how this comparison was made, first you will see The Gratiano said that as Bassanio fell in love with the mistress, as you saw the mistress, means when Bassanio saw Portia, means that the love at first sight, he fell in love with her. The same way when Gratiano saw Nerissa, he fell in love with her. And second, Bassanio's luck or fate depended on the choice of the casket. Same way, Gratiano's luck was also dependent on the choice of right casket. Now how? You can have this question that how Gratiano's luck depended on that, because this was the condition put forward by Nerissa, that is the lady in waiting for Portia, that if Bassanio were to make the correct choice of the casket, then only both of them, that is Gratiano and Nerissa, should marry each other. So this was the condition, and this is also the comparison which where Gratiano compared himself to Bassanio. Students, I hope that this extract is very clear to you, and please go through the extract properly. Next, Portia, is this true? Now Portia was asking Nerissa whether the news or what Gratiano is saying is true or not. Nerissa, Madam, if it is so, you stand pleased with all. Means, yes, ma'am, dear ma'am, if it pleases you, then it is the correct news. Bassanio, and do you, Gratiano, mean good faith? Now here, Bassanio very maturely is asking that Gratiano really wished to marry with all good intention to this good lady? Yes, faith, my lord, means yes, certainly, my lord. Bassanio, our feast shall be much honored in your marriage. Here Bassanio, as the new lord, he said that their marriage feast will be honored by having the celebration of the marriage celebration of Gratiano and Nerissa at the same time. Gratiano, now suddenly someone entered. Now who were they? Who comes here? Lorenzo and his infidel. Students, underline the word infidel. Infidel means non-believer in Christian faith, and this is a reference to Jessica. What? And my old Venetian friend Salario. Everywhere in Merchant of Venice, students, we will get this biased or this discrimination, always this discrimination of faith between the Christians and Jews, because Jessica was a Jewess. Lorenzo and Salario, welcome hither, means welcome here. If that the youth of my new interest here have the power to bid you welcome. Now, just a moment ago, Bassanio has been made the lord of Portia's house or palace by Portia herself, as Bassanio has chosen the right casket, and therefore he has the authority as a lord or the lordship to welcome his friends to his house, to his palace, with all permission and desire of the sweet Portia. Portia, so do I, my lord. My lord refers to Bassanio. They are entirely welcome. Yes, they are most welcome. Lorenzo, I thank your honor. Lorenzo is thanking them. For my part, my lord, my purpose was not to have seen you here, but meeting with Salario by the way, he did entreat me past all, saying nay to come with him along. Now Lorenzo said that he thanked for the honor, as his intention was not to meet him there, but he on his way Lorenzo met Salario, and he pleaded Lorenzo to come along with him, and he did not refused, but he accompanied him. Salario, I did, my lord. Yes, he is confirming. Yes, I requested him to come with me, to accompany me, and I have a reason for it. And Salario is also discussing the reason behind is coming to meet Bassanio. Signor Antonio sends you his greeting. Now he not only came to greet Bassanio, but also to he brought a letter which contained the greetings of Antonio. Now, or I open this letter, means before I open this letter, Bassanio was asking Salerio he was requesting that he wanted to know that how his good friend is there, means that is Antonio. Now students, this reply of Salerio is very important. Please note down that when asked about Antonio, Salerio tells that not seek my lord unless if it be in mind, means Salerio tells that physically Antonio is fine and well, he is in good health, but mentally very disturbed, and the letter he has brought from him will give him all the details. So this was the reply of Salerio to Bassanio about Antonio. So students, you mark up to here, and I shall continue this scene in next video. Please go through this scene. This scene is very, very important from the examination point of view, and you have to be thorough with each and every line, because this is the important Bassanio casket scene. I hope you have understood well and go through it. I shall continue in my next video. Thank you.